Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to upload an image on Canva. Friends, it's very easy to upload and edit photo in Canva. So to do so, you need to click on create. Here select a design size. Now here click on uploads. Now here click on upload files. Now here select the destination where you have kept the files. My photos are on desktop. Here select all the image which you want to upload and after selecting click on open. Now here you will find all the selected images. So after upload you can use these images in your designs. So friends, like this you can very easily upload image on Canva. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.